But now that the rainwater barrel is empty, I think I'm going to open it up and see if there's anything stuck to the nozzle, because when I open the nozzle, it doesn't come out as fast. And I'm thinking that something's stuck in there. So you and I are going to do that together. Let's go get it. So this is my 55-gallon rainwater barrel. And I have oh, hello, my electric spray wand connected to the rainwater barrel. So it siphons through the little opening, and I leave the hose attached to it, but I don't leave the wand attached to it on a regular. But I was rushing out one morning and decided to leave the electric spray wand connected to this, and it fell over on the floor. And I went to water my garden the next day, and there was no water coming out. I was like, there's no way. There's so much water that holds in this rainwater barrel. But little did I know that when the electric spray wand falls down to its side, the water trickles out of it. And so now I'm stuck using this 5 gallon to water my garden for right now until it rains here again. So right now what I'm doing is opening up this barrel, because I want to know, while the hose was attached to the barrel and there was like this lip opened, I want to know if anything fell inside the barrel. I also found some mosquito larvae coming out as I was filling up the rainwater reservoir in my greenhouse. So I'm just opening up the lip to see if anything fell inside of it. And if something did fall inside, I want to clean it out. So it has this lip and this opening. So this is where I run the electric spray wand siphoned filter through the barrel. And then there's a 6-foot hose, so it sucks up the water, and with the wand I attach it and then I water my garden. But I eventually want to make a hole on the side of the barrel right here, so that way I can run the filter through it. But I don't have a bit at the moment, so for right now I'm just running it like this. But I'm going to run a hose in here and dump out the barrel. And inside it's looking a little gross. I don't know if you can see it. Let me show you. So this is what it's looking like in there. Oh, you got a good view. So a little bit of dirt has gotten through, but nothing major, which is nice. And then that's the little spout right there. Let's see if I can show you. The little spot where the water comes out from that spout. I have this screen mesh that I use to put over the top of the barrel to cover up any holes or openings that it has. This helps all openings stay closed on the rainwater barrel, which is great. Just make sure it's nice and tight. Now we wait.